My name is Kiersten and I'm a teen services librarian from the Naperville Public Library. Today I am going to demonstrate how to make CD scratch art. Here's an example that I made. The CD is really cool because when it catches the light, you can see all the different rainbow colors popping out of the design. To do this craft, you will need a CD, a toothpick, a pencil, a paintbrush, acrylic paint, optionally a hairdryer, a space that you can get messy, and clothes that you don't mind getting paint on. You are going to start with taking your CD and you are going to paint the shiny side of the CD. You can use any color of paint, but I have found that I really like black because it contrasts really well against the shiny side of the CD. So you're going to start by painting it. I found that one tip that I like to use is if you take your pencil, you can put it in the center of the CD and that helps hold it in place while you paint around the entire CD. Stops it from shifting too much. I'm going to stop there because I have a CD that I've already pre-painted for demonstration purposes. But once you have painted your entire CD, you can go ahead and set it aside to dry. Alternatively, you can use a hairdryer to dry it faster. If you use a hairdryer, I found that I like to use the cool setting because it prevents the CD from getting too hot. And you can also keep the pencil in the center of the CD to help hold it in place and keep it from blowing around. I also like to use 2 coats of paint because I found that makes the design really pop. Once your CD is completely dry, you can take the CD and a pencil and draw your design. I am just going to go ahead and draw a heart to demonstrate. And it looks like that. Take the toothpick and use it to etch out your design. You can also use a different tool if you find that it works better. You will need to use a little bit of force and some muscle power to scratch out your design. And you can put your design on your entire CD and you can get as creative as you'd like. Once you have it all etched out, go ahead and brush it off. You'll see it looks like this, and it creates a really cool effect when that light catches the CD and you see all those different rainbow colors. Once you have etched out your entire CD, your project is done, and you can hang your CD on a wall or use it to decorate your space however you would like. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this craft, and I'll see you next time.